Hello everyone, welcome my dear students to CBSE's first personalized chapter model tuition. So let's check out some important concepts of lines and angles. So what are the concerns, queries you have? You can let me know. Ishan was having fun over here, isn't it Ishan? Ishan's like, sir, my sister is having fun over here, isn't it Ishan? She went, okay, keep your camera turned on. Asmita, Bharat, Ishan, quick. Real quick. So whatever the concerns, queries you have, you can let me know guys. I'll help you out. If you have any queries, concerns, and all, I'll help you out. Don't worry. Whatever the doubts you have, you can ask me. Everyone done? Once you're done, let me know. Can we start, guys? Are we good to go? Are we good to go? Whatever the doubts you have, you can let me know, guys. Can we begin, guys? Are we good to go? I don't see that extra energy from you all. Why though? Why not that extra energy from your side? I want it from you all. Yes, great then. Great then. We can start, guys, once again. Second. Why it's not coming up? Once again. From beginning. Once again, guys. Yes. So you're able to see the slide, right? Properly. Is it visible properly, guys? Yes. That's great to know. Fine then, guys. Can we begin? Can we start? Where is Ishal? Ishal, who is disturbing you? Okay, you didn't know that your mic was unmuted. Okay, fine. Hi, Bharat. Yes, where are you from, Bharat? From India. Where in India? Kerala. Where in Kerala? Very good. Okay. Hi, hi, Ashmita. Yes. How are you doing? All good? Okay, okay. Please don't support your Joe Ashmita. Let's not rest our head on your hand so that we can have complete focus on the concepts. So whenever, not only during the session, whenever you're learning something by yourself for exams and all, so please don't rest your head somewhere. That'll help you out to focus, stay focused completely. So let's move forward, guys. If you don't have any queries, concerns, and all, we can move forward. Yes. Great then, great then. So welcome guys, welcome to Lines and Angles. So guys, when it comes to lines and angles, were you there for day one content? Were there? Everyone were there, right? For day one content. And everyone was available to do. Did you attend the day one class of lines and angles? Bharat, Ishal were there. Asmita, Bharat were you there for day one content of lines and angles? You don't remember why? Why, Bharat? Yesterday was day one. Okay. Asmita, were there for the day one content of lines and angles. Today's day two content. Okay, great then. So we'll say sail through the day one content. So let's check it out real quick, guys. So when it comes to basic terms and definitions, over here we have learned how to will we define each the basic terms and different types of angles, intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines, transversal of parallel lines. So all this concept we are going to check out. So basic definitions which you have learned in the beginning of yesterday's session. Line segment has two endpoints. You all know it, right? That is, in the case of a line, it goes endless, isn't it? Line goes like this. But when it comes to line segment, it has two endpoints. A ray has only one endpoint. With one endpoint, the ray will go this way. And line has no endpoints, so this is a line, this is a line segment, and this is a ray. An angle is when formed when two lines or rays or line segments are formed together. So here you will get an angle. So this is how we define an angle. We have learned it already. So guys, acute angle means what? Acute angle means it will be less than 90 degree. Right angle means it is equal to 90 degree. Obtuse angle means greater than 90 degree and less than 180. Very good. Who said that? Bharat. Great. Bharat is right. Sir, I don't remember whether I was there, but still I do remember the concept. Great. Yes. Straight angle means what? It is equal to 180 degree. Reflex angle means more than 180 and less than 360. Got it, everyone? Any confusions, anyone, any concerns? All clear, right? Basic things. Isn't it? Ashmita, Ishal. I told Ashmita to please don't support your Joe. Now Ishal. Chest number 2 on stage. Ishal, it's not something which I say, oh, don't support. Guys, what will happen? If you support your Joe, if you rest your head on your hand, what will happen? A signal will go to your brain that you are on passive mode. Everything which you are learning will go to short-term memory. That is why I ask you not to support your Joe or not to rest your head on your hand. Got it, Nishan? Yes. Not only during the session, whenever you're learning something for yourself. Let's say you have an exam tomorrow and you're trying to learn something by yourself. In that case also, please don't rest your head somewhere. Keep this in mind. Okay? Yes. Great. Now, different types of angles. We have acute angle more than 0, less than 90. Right angle exact 90 degree. Obtuse angle more than 90, less than 180. Straight angle exact 180 degree. Reflex angle more than 180 but less than 360. Complete angle exact 360. Got it? So guys, did you write this in your book yesterday? Do you know this down? If not, know this down real quick. Ashmita, Bharat, Ishan. Not enough, not enough, Ishan. So like, sir, I have a screenshot now. When you write it down, what will happen? There is a connection with the notes and your brain. You will learn it right away. So have you know this down in your book so that you will memorize it, you will not forget it later on. So give side heading different types of angles and write each of it. Acute angle more than 0 degree, less than 90. This is an acute angle. Right angle means 90 degree. If you want, you can draw an example as well. Obtuse angle means more than 90 but less than 180. Straight angle exact 180. Reflex angle, this is the other side. This is the reflex angle. Complete angle is exact 360 degree. Complete 360 degree you can consider. So whatever the doubts, concerns you have, you can let me know. Change. Everyone done? Once you're done writing, please do let me know. Wait. Wait guys, I'll wait over here. Once you're done writing, you should let me know, okay? Waiting over here. What are the doubts you have? You should let me know. Everyone done? Okay, that's great to know, guys. If you're done, let's move forward. Are we done? Are we done? Great then, guys. So let's move forward. If you're done. Done writing, Bharat, Ishal, Ashmita? Yes. So angles in real life. So guys, when you check out the cloak, so you should tell me the angle over here, is it reflex, acute, obtuse? Reflex. The angle over here, inside. Obtuse. Very good, Ashmita. This angle of laptop, 90 degree. This angle, obtuse. Pizza, this angle, acute. Very good. How many of you like pizza over here? Everyone likes? Pizza fans? Ashmita likes pizza. Bharat and Ishal, which is yes, Ashmita. Margarita pizza. Okay. For Ishal, Florentine pizza. Bharat doesn't like pizza, I guess. It tastes kind of bad. So which one you like the like most? What's your favorite food then? South Indian foods. What kind of biryani, thali, paratha? Okay, great then. Fine then, guys. So let's move forward. So complementary angles. When sum of two angles is 90 degree, then the angles are known as complementary. Do you remember this, guys? You have learned this yesterday. Complementary angles. Sum of two angles has to be 90 degree. So you should tell me whether 35 degree and 45 degree are they complementary angles? Yes or no? No. What about 60 degree and 30 degree? Are they complementary? Yes. Why? 60 plus 30 is equal to 90. Sum of two angles. If the sum is 90, we can say they are complementary. Got it, Ishal? Got it, Ashmita? Got it, Bharat? Okay, great then. Can two acute angles be complement to each other? I'll take two acute angles less than 90. So I'm taking 60 plus 60. Is it complementary? No. But if I take 60 plus 30, possible. So can two acute angles be complement to each other? Answer is yes. Can two obtuse angles be complement to each other? Obtuse means what? Greater than 90, less than 180. So I'm taking 110 plus 120. Is it possible to have the sum as 90 degree? Not possible. So the answer is no. So for the third question, can two right angles be complement to each other? Two right angles, 90 and 90. Sum will be 180, right? So can they be complementary? Two right angles cannot be complement to each other. Got it, everyone? Node your head, break your neck if you got this. Ashmita is thinking, should I break my neck for real? Ashmita, I was just kidding. Okay, fine. So can two acute angles be complement to each other? Yes, since acute angles are less than 90, possible. Can two obtuse angles be complement to each other? No, no. An obtuse angle is greater than 90, so the sum of two obtuse angles will be greater than 180, which is more than 90, so they cannot be complement. Not possible. Now third one, can two right angles be complement to each other? No. A right angle is exactly 90, so two right angles add up to 180, so not complement. Now supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are those angles that sums up to 180 degrees, isn't it? So if I'm considering 90 plus 90, can they be 180? Obviously possible, right? 180. Yes, Ashmita. What happened? Anime, isn't it? Our content team makes it, but since students like anime characters, we have added it as some doodle in the slides just to make it more interesting. Got it? Asmita is like, oh my gosh, my favorite anime characters are coming up, isn't it, Asmita? So, what is this character's name? Okay, where is Nezuko? This is Nezuko. Oh, that's Tanjiro. Okay, great then. Fine. What is this character's name? You don't know. Yes, Ishal. You have a screenshot of this. No, that should not be done, guys. Even if it's a different teacher taking up, make sure you should not screenshot things. Bharat, you also do the same. You don't write notes. Note it down, guys. Note it down. Oh my gosh. So guys, when it comes to online tuitions, no, you will think, okay, screenshots will be there. We can just screenshot it, but you will never look back. True, right? Do you check screenshots and learn? No one does that. But when you write it in book, at least you will check it when the exams are coming. Got it? You don't check the screenshots. I don't want to do that. Make sure you don't take screenshots. Make sure you're writing it. Great, great, Bharat. So guys, tell me, can 120 and 60 be supplementary angles? Why? 120 plus 60, if you add it up, you will get 180. Now tell me 110 and 40. No, we'll get 150. So it's not possible. Got it? So you understood the concept of supplementary, right? Can two obtuse angles be supplementary? Is it possible? Obtuse means greater than 90. So 120 plus 100, if I'm doing, I'll get 220. So greater than 90, if I'm taking 95 plus 95, still I'll get 190. So guys, can two obtuse angles be supplementary? Is it possible? No, two obtuse angles cannot be supplementary. Each obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees, so two obtuse angles will have a sum greater than 180, which means they cannot be supplementary. Can two acute angles be supplementary? Okay, two acute angles means less than 90. So I'm taking 70 and 35. It is 105. Is 90-degree acute angle? Acute means what, Bharat? It should be less than 90. So 90 degrees is not less than 90. So it's not possible. Got it? Two acute angles cannot be supplementary. Each acute angle is less than 90. So sum of two acute angles is less than 180. So not supplementary. So this case also no. This case also no. Now the last case. This one you should make it correct. Everyone. Can two right angles be supplementary? What do you think? Easy, right? Two right angles means both of them will be 90 degree. So 90 plus 90, you will get 180 for sure. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Got it? One acute and one obtuse. Yes, possible. Because one obtuse, let it be 120. One acute, let it be 60. Possible. But two acute or two obtuse, not possible. Got it? Yes. Now, what will be the measure of supplement of each one of the following angles? 100 supplementary angle. Which one? 80 degrees, since 100 plus 80 is 180. Now 90 and 90, because 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. 90 plus means our app, right? 90 plus my tuition. 55 plus 135. So 135 plus 50 means 185. 185 plus 5 means 190 will become Bharat. It's 125, not 135. So 135 is not possible. It is 125. So 125 plus 55. If you do it, you will get 180. Got it, everyone? Easy, right? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Baba black sheep have any wool? Yes, so yes, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my den. Everyone, easy, right? Yes. Two supplementary angles. The measure of the largest angle is 44, more than the measure of the smaller. Find their measures. Two angles are supplementary. Measure of the larger angle is 44, more than the measure of the smaller. So if you take smaller angle as x, measure of the larger one is x plus 44. So find their measures. So x plus 44 is equal to 180 degree, which means 2x plus 44 is 180. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 44. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 44, how much? 10 minus 4 is 6. Yeah, 10 minus 4 is 6. Then 8 will become 7, right? So 7 minus 4, 3. Then 1. So 136. Now x is equal to 136 by 2. So the value of x will be 136 by 2. So 5 twos are 10, right? Sorry, 6 twos are 12. So 1 remains. 16 2 in 16, how many twos are there? 8. 8 twos are 16. That's right. 68 degrees. So x is 68 degrees. So find their measures. So first angle is 68 degree and the other angle is 68 plus 44. So 8 plus 4 12, 1, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 1 11. 112 degrees. So 68 and 112 is the answer. Got it, everyone? Third, yes, note this down in your book quick. Quick, guys, note this down in your book so that you'll never forget it. If you have a question like this, you get to know how to do this. So let the required angle be x and x plus 44. So write like that and just add x and x plus 44 so that you'll get 180 because they're supplementary. So supplementary means what? Some of the measures will be 180. So that's why we took x plus 144. Because first angle is x and the second angle is x plus 1, x plus 44. So we have added it. So based on the equation, we got the value of x as 68. So the first angle is 68 and the other angle is 68 plus 44. That is 112 degrees Celsius. Not degree measure, not degree Celsius. Okay, but you never wrote, right? You took screenshots. Isn't it, Ishal? Ishal is like, oh God, why did I tell it? I was being brutally honest. Brutally honest is a crime, I guess. How many of you watched Final Destination Bloodlines? No one watched. Final Destination Bloodlines. Did you watch it? Dad watched it. He liked it over edition. Recently released movie or series of Final Destination. Yes. Oh, mom didn't let you go. That's great to know, guys. Are we done, guys? Are we done? Bharat done. Bharat, I'll check the notes, okay? I'll be having all the fun. I'll be very friendly with you. But if you're not writing notes, if you're not listening properly, I'll chop your head off. Okay. Okay. Great. Great. So see, the answer is 68 and the other angle is 112 degrees Celsius. Now, two angles are adjacent if they have a common vertex, a common arm, and their non-common arms are on different sides of the common. Okay. So we can say if you're considering two angles, they are adjacent. If they have a common vertex is there. Okay. And do they have a common arm? Okay, common arm is there. This is the common arm they have. Okay. And their non-common arms are on different sides of the common arm. Okay, it should be on the opposite sides. This is the common arm. Everyone write down what are two adjacent angles. This is the non-common arm. Non-common arm. This is the another non-common arm. And if they have a common vertex, common arm, and the non-common arms are on the different sides of the common arm, so this angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent. Here, angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent. Keep this in mind, guys. So once you're done writing, please do let me know. What are the concerns you have? You can let me know. Okay. Good, Bharat. Very good. The diagram also you can draw. Bharat. Diagram of adjacent angles. Quick. Yes. Can you move forward? Once you're done drawing the diagram, let me know. Finished diagram. Everyone finished? Can we move forward, guys? Fine. So when two angles are adjacent, then their sum is always equal to the angle formed by the two non-common arms. So we can write the total angle ABC. If you take this, the total angle ABC, isn't it? Okay, that is equal to this angle ABD plus this angle ACD. Sorry, DBC. Okay, that's why we wrote this total angle ABC, that is total angle ABC is equal to this angle is equal to this angle ABD, that is equal to angle ABD plus this angle DBC. This is D, this is B, and this is. Got it? Everyone understood? Understood? You don't have to write this, just go through it. Now, linear pair of angles, adjacent and supplementary. If the non-common arms BA and BC in the previous figure form a line, then it will look like the following figure. So that is this BA and BC, if it gets straight, what will happen? It will become straight angle. In this case, angle ABD and this angle DBC are called linear pair of angles. That is, if the two adjacent angles make 180 degree, we can call them as linear pair. Okay, these pair of angles we can call them as linear pair. Got it? They're called as linear pair of angles. You don't have to write this, guys. Just write if two, guys, write this in your book. Okay, if two adjacent angles, everyone note this down, only this sentence. Okay, two adjacent angles are supplementary then they are called as a linear pair. They're called as a linear pair. Fair enough. Ishal camera. Yes. No, 3 points you don't have to write. Just have to write what I've written. If two adjacent angles are supplementary, then they are called as a linear pair. Done, everyone? Okay. Can we move forward, guys? Are we good to go? Fine. Can two acute angles form a linear pair? Is it possible, guys? Two acute angles, 60 and 60. Is it possible to form a linear pair? Is it equal to 180? No, right? So, no. Can see acute angles are less than 90, so two acute angles maximum sum is less than 180. So no, two acute angles cannot form a linear pair. Now, can two obtuse angles form a linear pair? Obtuse means greater than 90. No, right? Still, what will happen? Two obtuse angles will make greater than 180 degree. So two obtuse angles cannot form a linear pair. Can two right angles form a linear pair? Possible, right? Two right angles, even if they are adjacent and 180 degree as a sum, still possible, right? 90 plus 90, 180 degree. So two right angles can form a linear pair. Got it, guys? Clear? It's like supplementary, but in supplementary the angles can be anywhere, but in linear pair, both the angles have to be close to each other. It has to be adjacent. But that is the difference. So intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines, I hope you have learned. When two lines are meeting, when they call as that meeting point is called as point of intersection. When lines drawn on a sheet of paper do not meet, the lines which never meet, they are called as parallel lines. Everyone knows it, right? Parallel lines, the lines which never meets. Yes. So I hope you know what are intersecting lines, what are parallel lines and all. Yes. Uh, no. Yes. I'll send it. Ishal camera. What happened, Ishil? Why the camera is turned off, Ishil? That is fine. Keep it turned off. Yeah, it's okay. Your Jugan won't work with me. Okay, perfect. So PQRS. PQ is a line and RS is another line. So they are intersecting. And the next one, if you check out, PQ is parallel to RS. Isn't it? Yes. So they are intersecting and parallel lines or non-intersecting lines. Got it, everyone? Yes. Okay. So I hope you got this. Then note that the lengths of the common perpendiculars at different points on these parallel lines is the same. That is, this equal length is called the distance between two parallel lines. Guys, see the distance over here, if it's 5 centimeter, over here also the distance between them will be 5 centimeter. That's why they're called as parallel lines. That is, throughout the line, the distance between these two lines will be the same. Got it, guys? You guys know it, right? Yes. But please don't support your Joe. You guys know it, right, already? Yes. No. No, you don't have to write this. This one you don't have to write. Now, vertical angles. Vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect each other, then the opposite angles formed due to intersection are called vertical angles or vertically opposite angles. A pair of vertically opposite angles are always equal to each other. That is, if this angle is 60 degree, this angle will also be 60 degree. If this angle is 30 degree, this angle will also be 30 degree. Got it, everyone? Got it? Yes. So, guys, I have just given an example. You will be thinking, sir, 90 plus 90, only 180 is there, total 360 is there. So, the value can't be right. I'm just giving you an example, okay? So, let's say this angle is 120 degree. This angle will also be 120 degree. Got it? And if this angle is 60 degree, this angle will also be 60 degree. Got it? Yes. 120 plus 120 is 240. 240 plus 63 is 300. 300 plus 60, 360. Now perfect. So you will write this, right? Give side heading vertically opposite angles and note down what are vertically opposite angles and draw this line as well. Draw these two intersecting lines. Mark the vertically opposite angles. Ashmita is like, oh gosh, this sir is telling me to write everything. I'm very tired after school. Is it like that, Ashmita? No, right? We need that extra energy in the classroom. Okay, fine, fine. Note this down real quick. Once you're done, you should let me know. So I'm waiting over here. Once they're done, please do let me know. Everyone done? Once you're done, let me know. Can we move forward, guys? Are we done? I'm waiting. Okay, Ishal is still writing. Bharat is still writing. Don't worry, guys. I'm your friend. But don't take 10 years. Don't take 10 business days. Ishal is like, sir, I'm writing. Ishal making face and writing. Ishal, are you even focusing on the concept? Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. Done, everyone? Okay. Fine, then let me move forward. In the given figure, if angle 1 is equal to 30 degree, find angle 2 and 3. Angle 1 is given 30 degrees. So you can easily find out the remaining angles. Quick. Quick, guys, quick. Let's do this. Don't draw this in your book. Don't verbally answer it. Draw this in your book so that you will learn it. Ashmita, draw this in your book so that you will learn it. It's like this. Okay. Yes. 1 second, I'll call you up. Everyone done? Can we move forward? Yes. Okay, Asmita want to answer. Asmita, let me do this. So angle 1, if it's 30, angle 3 will be? Okay, I'm writing. So this is how you should answer for the exam, guys. So angle 1 is equal to angle 3 because they are vertically opposite angles, isn't it? So therefore we can write angle 3 is equal to 30 degree. Angle 1 is equal to 30 degree. It's given the question. Okay. And now angle 2. So guys, angle 1 and angle 2 are, yes Ashmita, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary or linear pair, or they are Linear pair, right? Adjacent and supplementary. Yes. 180 minus 30 is equal to angle 2. So it is how much? 1? Not 120, right? Okay, 150, my bad. Okay, eraser left the chat, I guess. 1 second, guys. I'm searching for the eraser for 10 years. Yes, I got it. 150 is the answer because 180 minus 30 is 150 degree. That is the value of angle 2. So angle 3 we got it as 30 and angle 2 we got it as 150 degree. Ishal is just copying or Ishal got this already? Ishal, if someone is muted on Zoom and talks, teacher won't be able to hear it. Do you know that? You got it right already. You got it right. How we got 150, how we got 30 and all. Don't lie. Okay, hi Bharat, did you get it? Bharat is still thinking, sir, I'm in a parallel universe thinking about my girlfriend. Bharat, you'll get time for that later. Now, did you understand this? Yes, you can write. But Bharat, did you understand how we got 150? See, Bharat, from the picture, angle 1 and 2 are supplementary, right? 180, right? So if one is 30, other one will be 150, right? Because 30 plus 150 is 180. And angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angles. So angle 1 and 3 will be the same. So since 1 is given as 30 in the question, so angle 3 will be 30 itself. Understood, Bharat? Got it? Okay, great. Asmita is having a lot of lice in her hair, so that's why she's picking it, I guess. I can understand, Asmita. It has been how many days since you took bath? A day, that's it. Okay, I thought it's been a long day without you, my friend. No, right? Okay, fine. Great then. Ishal is like, sir, look, there is no lice in my hair. Is it like that, Ishal, or are you writing? Okay, I thought you're writing. Okay, I thought you're showing the hairline. Okay, guys, Ishal was like this when I told about lice and all. She was like, see, sir, no lice in my hair. Okay, I saw it visually. Okay, zero lice in your hair. You do bath properly every day or at least twice in 2 days. Sorry, once in 2 days. Okay. Anyways, when you compare, but you know what? When we compare girls and boys, no, boys will take bath every day, even for our hair, but girls will take bath for their hair only once in 2 days. That's true, correct. Come again, Nishal? Oh, it'll damage our hair, it'll ruin our hair. Okay, we are making notes, but boys don't care much about their hair, right? Girls will be like this, yeah, everyday hair care. Right. We don't put shampoo, conditioner, and all properly, isn't it? But a normal bad thing you do, right? Do you put conditioner, shampoo, and all every day? No, right? Girls does that mostly, at least once in a week. They does that. And skincare also, they'll put toner, face wash, moisturizer, okay, sunscreen. We don't put sunscreen and all. Okay. So you use it 2 days. Come again. I say use it too. Okay, only in March. Okay, got it, got it. You use it too much. Got it. Can we move forward, guys? Everyone done writing? Okay. So see, so 150 is the answer as we have done it. Yes. So let's jump on to the T2 concepts. So transversal, guys, do you know what is a transversal? Transversal means what? What? Yes, Ashmita. Very good. If you're having two parallel lines over here, a line which intersect these two parallel lines. So this particular line is called as a transversal. Understood, Ishal? Understood, Bharat? Amalos, right? Got it, everyone? Great then. Great. A transversal is a line that intersects two or more lines at a distinct points. A transversal gives rise to several types of angles. So everyone know this down quick. Guys, write only the first point. Okay, second one you don't have to write, and just draw this diagram. You don't have to put a green color, yellow color, and all. Just draw two lines and draw a transversal. And keep this in mind, Ashmita. It doesn't have to be a parallel line. If a line is crossing any two lines, it can be a transversal. Got it, Ashmita? Yes. Isn't it, ma'am? No, I was asking to ma'am. Girls does a lot of skincare compared to boys, isn't it? And girls do hair wash at least no, once in 2 days, right? Once in 2 or 3 days. But boys does it every day. So boys are more hygienic than girls, isn't it? That's it. That's so rude. You're saying girls are more hygienic. Okay. Okay. Ishal is like we bath every.
Not gender.
Okay. Ma'am is saying we should not compare genders. I should stand with everyone as a tutor. Okay. I should not be showing any partiality or. Okay, fine. Once you're done writing, please do let me know, guys. Don't take 10 business days. Come again. Yes, yes. Corresponding angles, co-interior angles, and alternate interior angles. Great then. So it's coming on the way, guys. If you're done writing, if you're done drawing the diagram, we can move forward. First point, everyone done writing? Can we move forward? We gave you enough time, I guess. Yes. So types of angle. First one, interior angle. So guys, if you check out these two lines and the transversal, interior angles are the angles which lies in the interior portion of this transversal. So angle 3, angle 4, and angle 5, and angle 6. So this is angle 5, this is angle 6, this is angle 3, and this is angle 4. So all these four angles are interior angles. So everyone draw the lines and mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and write angle 3, 4, 5, 6 are interior angles. Just for you to understand, guys. This is what you should do in your book. Just draw two lines. Okay. Draw a transversal. Mark the angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4, angle 5, 6, angle 7, 8. And just write angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6 are interior angles. Interior angles. That's what you should do in your book. Quick. So that you will not forget it. But are you not writing? Quick, make it quick. Yes, you have to write. Draw two lines. Mark 1, 2, 3, 4. Mark 5, 6, 7, 8. And write down which are all the interior angles. So that you'll remember it. Yeah, that is for the previous one, right? For transversal. Bharat, there are different types of angles. So to mark interior angles, you have to draw it again. And just mark 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? Even if you didn't mark 1, 2, 7, 8, it's fine. But 3, 4, 5, 6, you have to mark. All these angles, if you didn't mark, it's fine. But interior angles, at least you have to mark. Worst case. So once you're done, let me know. Yes. So now we're gonna do exterior angles quick. Draw the transversal. Okay. Draw the transversal. Draw the two lines. Mark the exterior angle. Angle 1 is exterior. Angle 2 is exterior. Angle 7 is exterior. And angle 8 is exterior. Draw two lines. Guys, rough sketch you can draw. You don't have to use a ruler and all. But you should know what are exterior angles. Done everyone? Are we good to go? Yes. So types of angles. Over here, corresponding angles we have marked as Asmita told. We have corresponding angles coming up on our way. So guys, angle 1. Okay, over here you can see this angle 1. This angle 1 and this angle 5 are corresponding angles. Okay. And another pair, if you want me to take angle 2 and angle 6, they are corresponding. Angle 3 and angle 7, they are corresponding. Angle 4 and angle 8 are corresponding. So guys, you will be thinking, sir, all the angles are corresponding. No, we take it as a pair. Okay. First pair, if you take angle 1 and angle 5. Second pair, yes, it is colored perfectly. Angle 2 and angle 6. Angle 3 and angle 7. Angle 4 and angle 8. Guys, the same color, if you check, you can understand. Got it? They are called as corresponding angles. Got it? Ishal, what did you ask? No, no. Top left and bottom left. Top right, bottom right. Like that. So you can just check the same position. Angles at the same position you can check. But that's how you will get it. Bharat, did you understand corresponding angles? You take it as a pair, Bharat. Not one single angle. Got it? So guys, note this down. Give corresponding angle as side heading. Draw the figure and mark 1 and 5. If possible, mark it with some color. Or just mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just write 1 and 5 is one pair, 2 and 6 another pair, 3 and 7 another pair, 4 and 8 another pair. Ashmita, what happened? Camera. Okay. It'll be done once we are done with day 2. Only very few concepts left. Yes. Don't worry, guys. I'll give you time for that. Asmita, done writing? Do you draw the diagram again? Because for each type of angle, you have to draw the diagram again. So then only you will remember, or else you will not memorize. If you mark everything in one single diagram, it will be tough. That's why I told you don't draw it using a ruler. You can draw it directly with rough hands. Rough diagram is fair enough. If you don't do it properly, I'll give you punishment. I'll start singing. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Oh, I wonder what you are up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth. So, guys, Bharat is like, oh gosh, how is this guy a tutor? So, Bharat, everyone asked me the same question, anyways. So, alternate interior angles, when you check, guys, over here, if I'm taking two lines, okay, let me take two lines, okay, and I'm drawing a transversal. So, alternate interior angle means if I take this angle, angle 1, and what can we consider? This angle, if I take, okay, angle 2, this is angle 3 and angle 4. This one is 5 and this one is 6. Can I say angle 1 and angle 6 are alternate interior? Can I say? Asmita is saying no. Ishal and Bharat, what do you think? Can I say 1 and 6 alternate interior? Why? Why? 1 is in the exterior portion. That's great. Everyone give me a face bump. Yes. So over here we got to know that the angle 1 is in the exterior portion but angle 6 is in the interior portion. So we can only take the angles. We can only take the angles 4 and 6. 4 and 6 are alternate interior angles. And 3 and 5 is a pair. Okay, you should take it as a pair. 4 and 6 is a pair because they should be in the alternate side. They should not be in the same side. Got it? If you are taking 4 and 5, can we call them as alternate interior angles? No, right? Because they are on the same side. They are called as co-interior angles. Got it? But 4 and 6 are alternate interior angles. And 3 and 5 are alternate interior angles. Understood, guys? Clear with it? So alternate interior is 3 and 5 and 4 and 6. So note it down in a book. Mark 3 for 3 and 5 and 4 and 6. Ashmit, are you doing it or you are just supporting a Joe which I told not to do? Do it real quick, Ashmita. Don't support your Joe. Some of you will be having it as a habit. But what happens? Your head is resting. Will not help you for sure. Everyone done? Okay, fine. So alternate exterior angles. If we consider two lines and a transversal, alternate exterior means angle 1 and angle 6. Sorry, the angle 6 is the interior, right? Angle 1 and angle 7. And the next two angle 2 and angle 8. Show this down real quick, guys. Alternate exterior. Let's no waste time. Once you're done, you should let me know, guys. Let's not waste time. Done? Yes. So next one is none other than interior angle on the same side of the transversal. Guys, what are they called as? Interior angle on the same side of transversal. So that is angle 3 and angle 6 if I take. What do we call it? Very good. They're called as co-interior angles. Angle 4 and angle 5, they're called as co-interior angles. So keep this, note this down as well. They're called as co-interior angles. Do please draw the diagram again. You'll get tired of drawing these two lines and a transversal. I know it, but still you have to do it, Ashmita. I can see that some of you guys are not drawing. You have to do it. There's no waste time. Just draw it each time so that you'll never forget this. Angle 3 and angle 6 co-interior, angle 4 and angle 5 co-interior. Interior angles on the same side. So you can write it as well. Interior angle on the same side of transverse. Just write interior angle or else you'll forget. Interior angles on the same side. Interior angles on the same side. Correct? Everyone done? Okay. So transversal of parallel lines. So transversal of parallel lines, let's check it out. Asmita was talking about parallel lines before, but we took just some random two lines. Now we'll take transversal of parallel lines. So there are the angles, that is in the case of corresponding angles we have already learned. So which are formed in matching corners or corresponding corners with the transversal when two parallel lines are intersected by the transversal. That is, if we're taking this angle 2 and angle 3, 4, 5, 6. So taking this angle 2 and angle 6, they are corresponding angles. We have learned it already, you don't have to write it. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles will be equal. Guys, if the lines are parallel, okay, only if the lines are parallel, these two angles will be equal. If this is 30, this will also be 30 degree. Learned it? If these two lines are not parallel and if I am considering a transversal, will this angle be equal to this angle? No, right? It will not be equal. Bharat, Ishal, understood. If the lines are not parallel, it will not be equal. But if it's parallel, these two angles will be equal. Got it? If this is 60 degree, this angle will also be 60 degree. Got it? Yes. Now, if a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of corresponding angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel to each other. That is, if you are just taking two lines and if you're drawing a transversal and if this angle is 60 or this angle is equal to this angle, then we can say these two lines are parallel. Got it? The other way as well, vice versa. Got it? So if you don't note down only the first point, only the first point you can note down quick. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles are equal. Fair enough. Because the other way you know it, just the vice versa of it. That is the second point. So you can write only the first point. Fair enough. So once you're done writing, let me know. Quick. Finish everyone. Done everyone. Yes. No. I no way possible. Asmita. Class are happening, right? Why you wanna leave? Well, once we are done with the concepts, you can leave. For revision session, if you don't want, you can join. Don't want to join. It's fine. Yes. Let's do the revision. Let's do the concepts real quick. So guys, alternate interior angles we have learned already, right? Angles which are formed inside the two parallel lines. So if you're taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So angle 3 and 5 are alternate interior. Angle 4 and 6 are alternate interior. We have learned it already. But in the case of parallel lines, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then in each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. So in the case of parallel lines, what will happen? If this angle is 60 degree, this angle will also be 60 degree. Only if the lines are parallel. Got it, guys? Learned it? So write down the first point quick. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Write down the first point, only the first point, fair enough. Because second point is the vice versa of it. A transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel. So it's just the vice versa. Guys, if you're done, let me know. Everyone is done writing, and you guys are like, okay, let's waste time. Is it like that? No, right? But okay, fine. So co-interior angles, when two parallel lines are cut by transversal, we can consider the co-interior angles as we have checked out already. So 1, 2, 3, 4, this angle, 5, 6, these two angles are co-interior, isn't it? And if they're on the same side of transverse, they always add up to 180 degree. Co-interior angles will always add up to 180 degree. So if this angle is 120, this angle will be 60. So the sum will be 180, right? Anyways, but there is a point. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of co-interior angle will be supplementary. That is, only if the two lines are parallel. Okay? Only if they are parallel, the sum of co-interior angles will be 180 degree. When two parallel lines are cut by transversal cointer angles are the two angles that occurs on the same side of the transversal, and they always add up to 180 degree. So you can note down this point quick. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of co-interior angle is supplementary. If the lines are parallel, the sum of co-interior angles will be 180 degree. Asmita is like a repetition of the same thing every time. Yes. A similar type, right, Asmita? Asmita, are you noting it down? I'll be asking you a book. Show me a book to the camera. No, this is the next point. Co-interior angles. Show me the previous note. Show it to the camera till alternate interior angles. Quick. Quick. No. Show me till which point you have written. How much you have written? I knew you were not writing. Till which topic you wrote? I told not to take screenshots. I want you to write. I told that I'll lose my chill if you're not writing. Isn't it? Did I warn you? You didn't even write a single word in today's session. Asmita, it's okay. Show it to the camera. You're on focus mode. Don't worry. Yes, show it to the camera. Quick. Show what you have written. Where is it? Where is the angle? When two lines intersect, you didn't write anything properly. I saw it. Where's your pen, Ashmita? Take a proper separate book for maths. Quick. Go and bring a book. Quick. Take a pen. Quick. Everyone done writing? Bharat and Ishal, are you done? Okay, good. Bharat. Ishal, what about you? Okay. So find the complement of each of the following angles. So guys, we have three angles over here. So complement of the other we have to find out. Okay. So what will we do, guys? Complement if you have to find out. If let's say this is 30, let's say this is 40, and let's say this is 45. Yes. What you have to do is take screenshot, Ashmita. Take screenshot. Take screenshot. Okay. Start writing. I want it within 5 minutes. Quick. Take the screenshot and note it down. Quick. Don't turn off the camera. Oh, it's when you are minimizing, I guess. Isn't it? Yes, check the screenshot. Start writing. Quick. I want it in 5 minutes. Remaining students, find the complement of each of the following. So, obviously, complement means what? That sum has to be 90 degree. So, this is the first one, second one, and third one. So, you can draw the complement like this. So, if this angle is 30 degree, this angle will be 60 degree, right? Because the sum has to be 90. So in this case, if you draw the 90-degree angle, and if this is the line, if this is 40, the other angle has to be 50 degree, isn't it? And over here, if you have a 90-degree angle like this, and if this is 45, this has to be 45 degrees. Got it? First one, second one, and third one. Got it, guys? Easy, right, Ishal? Easy, Bharat? Isn't it? Okay, great. Now find the supplement of each of the following angles. Quick. First one, second one, and the third one. Okay. So let's say this is 110 degree. Let's say this is 80 degree. Let's say this is 120 degree. Wait, find out the supplement. In the same way which I've done the previous one, you have to do this. Draw the lines. Let me know how much you get. Easy, right? Done. Okay, Ishal, show me a book to the camera. Supplementary means what? The sum will be 180 degrees. So in the first case, you can draw it like this straight line, like this. So this will be 110, isn't it? And the other one will be 70 degree. And in this case, you can draw the straight line like this. And this angle, if it's 80 degree, this angle will be 110 degree, right? That's right. And the third one, you can draw a line like this. And if this angle is 120 degree, the other angle will be how much, Ishal? 60 degree. So supplementary means what? The sum should be 180 degree, right? Yes. Asmita, show me a book. Turn on the camera quick. I told you not to have fun in the session. I'll be fun. I'll be having fun. I'll be friendly with you. But when it comes to concept, be serious. Yes. You know how to draw it neatly. You know how to write it neatly. Isn't it? Still you are messing around over there. Isn't it, Asmita? Let's finish it quick. Last one. Done, everyone? Are we done? Are we done? Are we done? Okay, quick, Bharat. Bharat, do it. You can do it by yourself, right? While you're checking the screen. Just it's a cross check, you can check. Okay. How do we get 60? Bharat, total supplementary means 180. So 180 minus 120, if you do it, you will get 60. Understood? Yes. Ashmita, done? Yes, Ashmita, take a screenshot of this slide. Done? Take a screenshot of this slide as well. Yes. You don't have to draw it right now, but later after session you have to draw it. Got it? Yes. Now, from now on, write properly, Asmita. You can leave only after the session is done. Got it? Only half an hour is left. After that, you can study. Now, identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. Now, 65 and 115, complementary or supplementary? Everyone write it down in your book. First one, 65, 115. You can unmute and answer, guys. 115 and 65, if you take, what do you think, guys? It'll be obviously supplementary. Yes, Bharat. Yes, you can tell all of it. 63 and 27, complementary. 112 and 68, supplementary. Supplementary, complementary, complementary. Very good. So everyone finish it in your book quick so that you'll remember it. You'll never forget it. Supplementary, supplementary, complementary, and complementary. 65 and 115, the sum will be 180 degrees. 63 and 27, the sum will be 90 degrees, so it's complementary. 112 and 68, the sum will be 180, so it's supplementary. 130 and 50, the sum will be 180, so it will be supplementary. 45 and 45, sum will be obviously 90, so it's complementary. 80 and 10, obviously 90, so it's complementary. Pretty easy, right? Easy question, isn't it? Oh, too easy. So we'll go to the next. Correct. Asmita, easy. Bharat, easy. Can we move forward? Yes. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. Okay. So over here, if I'm taking an angle which is equal to its complement, which angle is equal to its complement? 45 degree. 45 degrees is equal to its complement, right? Isn't it? Only in the case of 45 it will work, isn't it? In other cases, will it work? It'll never work, right? Yes. Okay, great. So now you can go to the exam, guys. Now it's time for the exam. So you can start writing the daily test. It is activated. Now you can go to the exam time. Once you're done with the exam, you shall let me know. Everyone try refreshing. Try refreshing. Once again. Bharat, did you get it? Bharat got it. Ishal and Ashmita, please try refreshing. You got it, right? Ishal, you got it. Okay. Ashmita, did you get it? You didn't get it. Try refreshing, try reloading your login. Guys, below today's class will be there, right? You guys used to do it every day, right? One second. Second. So if you didn't get the exam, try refreshing or try reloading real quick. Still you didn't get it. Okay, one second. Let me check it. One second, guys. Yes, if you didn't get the exam, we can do it. Don't worry. So we'll start with the revision. So in the meantime, I'll give you time for exam. Got it? They didn't get the exam. You can communicate with child. Students didn't get the exam. Yes. You didn't get it right. Okay, I'll give you time for it, guys. Don't worry. You got everyone got it? Okay, okay, great, great. Do it real quick. Do it real quick. Ma'am, everyone got it. Everyone done? Once you're done, let me know. Yes. Everyone done with the test? Are we good to go with the revision? Guys, everyone done with the exam? Quick, make it quick. Bharat, Ashmita, Ishal, once you're done with the exam, let me know. Quick. Everyone, if you're done with the exam, please do let me know. Come when done, or let me know so that we can start some questions. We can check out some important questions. Everyone done? Can we move forward? 10 questions, okay. How much you got, Bharat? Okay, quick. Ashmita, how much you got? Still doing it? Okay, quick. You don't know which question you went wrong. It's okay. Bharat, you will get the answer key so I can cross check. You can ask the class teacher for the answer key of today's daily test. Got it? So that you can check out where you went wrong. No. Ishal and Ashmita. Everyone done? Ashmita, not yet done. Ishal, not yet done. Quick, let's do it real quick. Very few questions to check out. So, guys, the very first question is if you're considering an equilateral triangle, okay? What is the speciality of an equilateral triangle? All the sides of an equilateral triangle will be equal. Isn't it? Ashmita, how much you got for the exam? Why 7, Ashmita? For Ishil, which one you went wrong? Quick, quick, make it quick. Quick. So Ashmita was saying, okay, equilateral triangle, if you check out, okay, all the sides will be equal. Bharat, you know that in the case of equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. What about the angles, Bharat? Will they be equal? What do you think? In the case of an equilateral triangle, what do you think about the angles? Will it be equal? In equilateral triangle, we know that all the sides of the equilateral triangle will be equal. So obviously, all the angles will be the same, right? All the angles will be equal. So based on angle sum property, what is the sum of all the angles in a triangle? 180 degree, very good. So if the sum has to be 180 degree, and if all the angles, angle 1 plus angle 2 and plus angle 3, if all of them has to be equal, so what will be that angle measure? 60 degrees. So each angle has to be 60 so that all the angles will be equal and the sum will be 180. So the measure of each angle in an equilateral triangle will be 60 degree. That is option B is the right answer. Yes. Ishal, done with the exam. We are done with the first question. How much you got? 6 on 10. Ishal took 10 business days to do the exam. Still she got 6. What happened, Ishal? Oh, that equation question you meant wrong like Asmita. Okay, anyways, you can cross check with the answer key when you get from the class teacher. Anyways, so let's move forward. Ishal, did you understand this? And measure of each angle in an equilateral triangle will be 60 because in an equilateral triangle, all the angles will be equal. Since the sum has to be 180 degree, each angle has to be equal, so each angle will be 60. Then only the sum will be 180. Got it, Ishal? Okay. Now we'll check on the second question. What is a transversal? Option A, B, C, D. Which one, guys? A line that crosses two or more lines, a line that is always parallel to another, a line that intersects at a right angle, a line that divides an angle into two equal halves. Okay? A line that crosses two or more lines. A line that is always parallel to one another, that is not a transversal. A line that intersects at a right angle, that is not transversal. A line that divides an angle into two equal halves, not transversal. A line that crosses two or more lines. Got it? That's a transversal. Very good, Ishal, Ashmita, Bharat. So we'll move forward. The sum of two interior angles on the same side of a transversal is always. Sum of two interior angles on the same side of a transversal is always. Sum of two interior angles will be 90 or 180. We have learned it. Guys, check your book. Sum of two interior angles on the same side of a transversal. It has to be how much? Very good. It is 180 degree. Okay, don't support your head, Ishal. Yes. What is the sum of two complementary angles? 180 degree complementary angle means what? If you have two complementary angles, sum of it will be 180 degree, right? Isn't it? So if you have a complementary pair, the sum of it will be 90 degree. If you are taking two complementary angles, two set of complementary angles will be 180 degree. Now, from the given figure, find the value of x. How much is x, guys? If the other angle is 135, how much is x? Quick, guys, let's check it real quick. Do it in your book, quick. 180 minus 135 you have to do, so you'll get the value of x. Quick. It should be sure. 180 minus 135, 10 minus 5 is 5. So over here 8 will become 7, right? Isn't it? So 7 minus 3 if you do, you'll get 4. So 45 degrees is the answer. So the value of x is equal to 45 degrees. In the following figure, angle 1 and 2 are adjacent. Figure unable to see, right? I'll draw it over here. Okay. So angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent. Give reason. Why? Why we can say that angle 1 and 2 are and angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent? So are they having same vertex? They're not having same vertex. Then how can we say angle 1 and 2 are adjacent? The case of adjacent angles, what should they have? They just so can we say they're adjacent? In the following figure, is 1 and angle 1 and 2 are adjacent? Give reason. So we can say that the answer is no, they are not adjacent because or since they don't have a common vertex. Everyone know this question in your book so that you will remember it. Write the question and draw the figure because they don't have a common vertex, so we can't say they are adjacent. Ishal was like, sir, they are adjacent. How Ishal? Okay. Ashmita, you're writing right. I'll chop your head off. Yes, Ashmita is like, sir, not this time. I'll not cheat anymore. Lot of jugads I have done in school, so that's why I can forgive Ashmita. I can understand Ashmita, but please don't repeat it. Ishal is having an aura around her. I thought she is like God, but it is actually the tube light she is having in the background. Yes. But for me, there is a natural aura. Students say, sir, you are like God and all. Not boasting over here, just spitting facts. Bharat, understood? Done writing? Okay, we'll move forward if everyone is done. Asmita done, Ishal done, Bharat done. Ishal not done? In the adjoining figure, identify the pair of corresponding angles. So we throw the pair of corresponding angles, guys. Angle 1 and angle 5, then angle 2 and angle 6, then angle 4 and angle 8, then angle 3 and angle 7. Okay, fine. Now, pair of alternate angles. Angle 4 and angle 6. Okay. Then angle 5 and angle 3. You should tell angle 3 first. Okay. Then angle 1 and angle 7. Then angle 2 and angle 8. Okay. Pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal. Angle 4 and 5. Angle 3 and angle 6. Correct. Vertically opposite angles. Angle 2 and angle 4. Then angle 1 and angle 3. Then angle 6 and angle 8. Angle 5 and angle 7. Got it, everyone? 6 and 8, 5 and 7, 1 and 3, 2 and 4. Got it? Vertically opposite angles. I hope you know it. But this one you don't have to write it, right? You'll remember it, right? I'm not making you write it because I hope you're confident with it. Bharat, Ishal, are you confident? If not, I'll give you time to write. What are your thoughts? Okay. If an angle is 30 degree more than its complement, what is the measure of the angle? Oh, okay. Let the angle be x. And if an angle is 30 more than its complement and the other angle will be very good, and the other angle be x plus 30 degree. Okay, if one angle is x and the other angle is x plus 30 degree, then the sum is x plus 30 will be equal to 90 degree, right? Isn't it? Because they are complementary. So if one angle is x and other angle is x plus 30, so sum of them is x plus 30. So 2x plus 30 is equal to 90. So 2x is equal to 90 minus 30. 90 plus 30, Bharat. 90 minus 30, right? It is going to the other side. So 2x is equal to 60. X is equal to 60 by 2, that is 30 degree. So one angle is 30 degree and the other angle is 60 degree because x plus 30 is equal to 30 plus 30. So x plus 30 is 60 degrees. So the two angles are 30 and 60. Answer is 30 and 60. If an angle is 30 more than its complement, what is the measure of the angle? But the answer is 30 and 60. Yes, anyways, I'll check it. I'll check the right answer. Okay. Yes, Bharat, what was your doubt? No, this plus 30 when it goes to the other side becomes minus, right? Transposing you have learned, right? Plus on one, if on left hand side of the equal to it's plus 30. When it goes to the other side, it's minus 30. Understood, Bharat? Plus becomes minus, addition becomes subtraction, division becomes multiplication. But you have to stay. Only few minutes left. Yes. And since you didn't write, I'm not letting you leave. An angle is twice its complement. Find the angle. If the angle is x and the other angle is 2x, let the angle be x and the other angle is twice its complement, right? So I'm taking it as 2x. Find the angle. So x plus 2x will be equal to 90 degrees. Yes. An angle is twice its complement. So an angle is x and its complement will be 2x. So 3x will be 90 degree. So x will be equal to 90 divided by 3. So it will be 30 degree. Bharat. Got it? 3x means 3 into x, right? When it goes to the other side, it becomes division. So it is 90 by 3. So 30 degree. So find the angle. So the angle measurement is 30 degree. And what will be the other angle, guys? 2 into 30, that is 60 degree. Got it? 30 and 60. Understood, Ashmita? Understood, Ishil? Note this down in your book quick. Quickly note this down. Don't worry about it. Only few questions left. Very few questions. Okay, headache is on your way. It's okay. Finished it. Everyone done? Can you move forward? Ishal, Ashmita, let me know once you're done so that we can move forward a little quick. Ishal done. Bharat done. Ashmita, quick. Okay. Find the third angle of a triangle if two of its angle measures are 50 and 60. If you're considering a triangle, one angle is 50, other one is 60. How will I find out the third angle, guys? Based on angle sum property, sum of the angles is equal to 180 degree. So unknown value, I'll mark it as x. Okay. So x plus 50 plus 60 will be 180 degree. So 50 plus 60 means it is 110 is equal to 180 degrees. So the unknown angle x is equal to 180 minus 110 degree. So the value of x will be 70 degree. Understood? Ashmita, Ishal, Bharat, did you understand? Based on angle sum property, the total angle of a triangle is 180. So over here 50 and 60 is given. So unknown angle plus 50 plus 60 will be 180. 50 plus 60 if you do, you will get 110. So x plus 110 is 180. And the value of unknown value x is 180 minus 110. So that is 70. Clear, Ishal? Once you're done writing, let me know. Write it real quick. Quick, Ishal, write it real quick. Done already. You did it with me or what? You just copied me or you knew how to do it? Oh, great. Yes. Oh, it's coming up. It's because the green screen background is moving in between, so it comes white. But yes, from the given figure, find the value of A. So guys, all the other angles are given over here. If it's very small, I'll write it for you. 105 degree, 95 degree, 60 degree. And this A value we need to find out. Everyone quick. You know what is the total angle? Simple, right? Total is 360. So 360 minus 60 plus 95 plus 105. Do it real quick. How much is the sum, guys? 60 plus 95 plus 105. We'll check, we'll check. First, tell me the sum. 60 plus 10. We'll check, but 105 plus 95. If you do, you'll get 260. Very good. 260. That is equal to 360. So the value of A will be equal to 360 minus 260. So we'll get 100 as the value of A. This is how you should do for the exam, guys. Don't write. We know the total is 360, so A will be 100. Don't write like that. Just use this step and write for the exam. Got it? You don't have to note it down, but make sure you're doing it this way for the exam. Got it, Bharat, Ishal, Asmita? Okay. The ratio of two supplementary angles is 5:4. Find both the angles. So if the ratio is 5:4, we need to find out both the angles. How will we do that, guys? Ratio of two supplementary angles is 5:4. We need to find out both the angles. So let's say, Ashmit, if you are taking 5x plus 4x is equal to 180, let's see, we'll get it. It will be 9x is equal to 180, and the value of x will be equal to 180 by 9. How much will it be? So if you do it, you'll get 20. Okay. So 5x means what? 5x means 5x is equal to 5 into 20. That is 100 degrees. And 4x is 4 into 20, that is 80 degree. So the angles are 100 degree and 80 degree. Yes. Correct, guys. If the ratio is given as 5:4, the sum of 5 and 4, the sum of the angles will be supplementary, right? 180, right? Since the ratio is given as 5:4, we took it as 5x plus 4x. Got it? So whenever if the values is not given, only the ratio is given, take it as 5x and 4x. Take the ratios with x. Got it, Bharat? Got it, Ishal? Ashmita got it right. Very good, Ashmita. Understood, Ishal? Understood, Bharat? Write the question and write the steps. Quick. Write the question and answer. Quick. For such kind of questions, you'll be struggling for sure. Now only very few. Like 3 questions left. Show it to the camera, everyone, once you're done writing. Show it to the camera, Ishal. Quick, quick. Closer. Down there, Ishal. Lift the book up. 4x into 20. Yes, I can see it. Good. 420 is 80. Got it. Yes, I saw it. Very good. Ashmita. Yes. Can we move forward, Bharat? Yes. Okay, Bharat, I saw it. Good. A transversal intersects two lines and forms corresponding angles measuring 110 degree and 120 degree. Are the two lines parallel? Justify your answer. So a transversal intersects two lines, okay, and forms corresponding angles measuring 110 and 120. This is 110 degree and this is 120 degree. Are the lines parallel? Say yes or no. No. Why? Because for parallel lines, the corresponding angles will be equal, right? Everyone, go through the point you have written for corresponding angles and parallel lines so that you'll remember it. Quick. Go through the notes, quick. Yes, read it. Isn't it? If these two lines are parallel, these two angles will be equal. If this is 120, the other has to be 120. Since it's 110, they are not parallel. Got it? Understood, Bharat? Understood. The lines are not parallel because the corresponding angles are not equal. Clear? You'll remember it, right, for the exams? Yes. If two angles are supplementary and one angle measures 50 degree, what is the measure of the other angles? Two angles are supplementary and one angle is 50. The other angle will be x plus 50 will be 180 degree. So other angle will be 180 minus 50. It will be 130 degree. Easy, right? Yes. An angle is 3 times its complement. Find the angle. So x and 3x we have. So x plus 3x is equal to 90 degree. So 4x is equal to 90 degree. So x is equal to 90 divided by 4. It'll be how much? 90 divided by 4. 2 fours are 8, 1 remainder 10. In 10, how many fours are there? 2 fours are there. So 8, 2 remainder 20. In 25 fours are there. 5 fours are 20, 0. So the answer is 22.5 is the value of x. Okay. So 3x means it is 3x is equal to 3 into 22.5. How much will it be? 22.5 into 3. 5 into 3, 15, 1. 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 2 into 3, 6. 67.5, right? So find the angle. Only the angle we have to find out. So the angle is 22.5. That is fair enough. Only if they ask the other angle, we can say 67.5. Got it, guys? Understood? So everyone know this down. Write the question as well as the answer. Quick. Done, everyone? Fine then. So case study question. So we have two case study questions for you to take out. So this is homework number 1. You have to check this case study question. Very important, guys. Inside an exams, it's coming up. So take a screenshot, everyone, quick. Homework number 1. Done. And it's the second case study question, homework number 2. Take a screenshot, Bharat, Ishal, Ashmita. Yes. So guys, by the next session, you should have the answers ready. You should research on it and come. So before we wind up the meeting, any concerns, queries, anyone? Bharat, Ishal, Ashmita, any doubts, anyone? Everyone is like, sir, we are so done. We can wind up the meeting. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye. Good night. See you all. Yes, you can go study, Ishil. Ashmit is also having exams. She'll also study then. Fractions and decimal. Simple, right? Oh, what is the exam? Which subject? UST. Oh. Try your best. All the best, guys. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye, everyone.